How to change the default launcher for your Poco X7 Pro phone with Android 15 HyperOS 2. Please keep in mind, in order to get some more launchers, you can get free ones on the Play Store. Go ahead and type in launcher and find those that are compatible with your device. Now to change the default launcher, go into the quick access of your Poco X7, go to settings, then once you're here, go down the list past all this until you see apps right there. And as you enter into this area here, you'll notice these three dots at the top right. So go ahead and tap on that and go to other settings. And now here you'll see default apps. Then the first option for default apps will say launcher. It might be different on your phone, but you're looking for the one that says launcher. And of course, it will be running the Poco launcher. But if you want to try something new and you installed something from the Play Store, you can go with either one of these. And just keep in mind, once you select it, it's going to prompt you to start making changes to your device and go forward with the whole new launcher and all that stuff. Okay, so you can set it up and all that. And of course, if you don't like the new launcher, you can also come back to the settings shown and change, like and sub.